Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm here for hashtag Wallpaper Wednesday, which is an open collab hosted by Jovi at Creating with Jovi. I'm a little hoarse today, so I hope you don't mind, but I'm going to make this a quick video so I don't have to talk too much. So that's why I kind of already did my wallpaper project today. So I did it similar to what I did last week, but a different colors and a different focal point here. So I'll have my link to my video from last week so you can see in more detail how I did this. But here's the one from last week. This one was the birds, and the back looks like this in case you didn't see it. This is the wallpaper in the background. And then I used this fabric. On the inside I used this bird layered with some Aida cloth. It's dark, kind of light brown, not dark, but it's light brown Aida cloth. It's not the lighter kind that's cream colored, as a layering behind this bird patch that I cut from an apron. And that apron had this same fabric on it here, like almost like a denim. You can see it has colored stripes, and then it has this fabric on the inside, which was from the apron. And these ties were also from the apron. So, that was so fun. I love working with wallpaper. So last week when I did that one, I got 2 other covers organized so I could do 2 more covers. So this is the second one. And so you can see the wallpaper here in the background. Here's what it looks like here. Just a pretty color that I thought would go with this sunflower. And so then I used this is a vintage sheet, which colors I think also go with the sunflower. I guess that's a sunflower. I always thought it was. And so, yeah, I just put the wallpaper on. Then I put the fabric here, or the vintage sheet piece that would fit in here. I cut a piece to fit. I also used a strip of vintage sheet for the ties on this one. As you can see here, they run underneath the fabric. So I glued, and those are sewn down here also. And so then I also put a piece of that fabric on the spine. So I think it turned out really cute. And it just ties closed right here. So when I'm ready to make a journal out of this cover, this will be ready. And so now I have 2 covers ready. Right now I'm working on Christmas journals, so I'm not doing these right now. But maybe when I'm done with those, I'll go ahead and do something with these covers. But super fun way to use your wallpaper. Make some pretty journal covers. So that's 2. And then the third one next week, I'll give you a little preview of next week. So this one here, see this here? It started out like this, and I kind of, see it's puffy. It's got like cotton inside. It's got a little hanger here, and pretty little, front piece. So on that one, the sunflower, I took it apart. I made a little split here and opened up and at first I didn't know what I was going to do with it exactly, or how I was going to do it. But I think I opened it up, and then I took the cotton out. And then I ended up taking this back piece of burlap off. And of course I took the hanger off. So I'll do that with this. I have, I'll just use my thread puller, the little one that takes your threads out when you're undoing something that you've sewn. I'll take this apart, and I'll just use this front piece. I might try to leave this on. If I end up not liking it, I'll take it off. But just some raffia here. It says bloom, so I think it's really cute. And so the wallpaper I have picked out for next week is this pretty floral that I think goes well with this. This will be the focal point, but it will be flat by next week when I, take it apart. Excuse me. It has some of the same colors, blue, yellow, pink. And then I pulled out this fabric, which is another vintage sheet. It's got blues and purples in it too, so I think that'll all go together well. So sorry about my voice. I hope you didn't mind. This is a short video, like I said, so that I don't have to talk too much. I don't have you know what or anything like that. I just, my family and I went to Florida. That's where we're from. And to visit my parents and my husband's parents. And went to Disney World on a day that it decided to rain all day. So I found out that my raincoat was not waterproof. So I was soaked like a drowned rat all day. And ended up getting this, a little frog in my throat. But I'll be fine. I feel fine. Don't feel sick at all. Just got this little frog that I'm working on, and it'll be gone soon. So, see, I'm feeling better. It's sounding better already, right? So, thanks for watching today, and hope you enjoyed this little cover. I think it's super cute, and I love it. Love the colors, and very, very kind of like sunshiny and happy little cover here. So thanks for watching today, and I'll see you tomorrow in my Thrifty Thursday. Have a great day and happy crafting.